Let's see the total activity which are found in the economy we have divided in a common way. Let's see the business and introduction. Business and introduction. These are following people are busy in doing some activity. Just I have told you the many people are engaging in the many activities. These are the all activities which I am going to tell you. Like is it producing things? Some people are busy producing things for the producing of goods and services. Things is written here to goods. The some people are busy. Some people are busy for buying and selling of goods and services. Buying and selling of goods. First of all, before starting of the business in a standard unit, we have need to describe all the activities which are found in our economy. Okay, then after we will be give a standard unit, standard measure, standard name. Then after we will start this concept. The first, the some people are busy producing things. They are producing. After producing, some people are busy that buying and selling of these goods. Some people are busy profession of law. Profession of law like is a CA, like is a LLB, educate person, and the some people are like is a doctor treating patients. So these are all people. These people, and the some people are busy in factories, and some people are doing job in the government offices. These are the total activities which are that is a day by day is going in our economy. Not here, but also the some people are propagating religion. Propagating religion mean preaching of religious preaching mean उपदेश देना, mean कोई हिंदू का देता है, कोई सिख का देता है, कोई इस्लामिक करता है. And the some people are busy in the doing social work. We can say that which is the activities left out of it. You can tell me on the WhatsApp. Either total, otherwise I have total activities I have written on the board. You can check. The some people are producing goods. Some people are after producing buying and selling of goods. Some people are doing profession of law, like is a lecturer, like is a CA, like is a doctor and advocate. The some people are treating patients. Some people are doing the job in the factories, in the offices also. And other than some people are propagating religion, mean that a preaching karna, preaching religion, and the some people are doing social work. These are all activities. First in the introduction. Now that is one point here. The total activities we divided into category, or these are the three category we can divide. The first major activities, one is a economic activity and one is a non-economic activity. One is economic and one is a non-economic activities. Then after we divide the three major and the standard category, one is business, one is profession and one is a employment. These are all come in the category of this the economic activity. Let's see. The people producing things and buying in goods, we divide it into business. All the people come in the category of a business. Some people profession of law, treating patient. We can say here profession. We can say here profession. These are all people come in the category of a profession. And the some people in factories, in government job, these are come in the category of a employment. Employment is standard unit. We have described here the people come in the category of business, profession and the employment. And these propagating and religion and doing, these are come in the category of non-economic activity. The first of all, we have need to understand before the starting of the business that how many activities and how many activities come in the category of economic activity and how many activities come in the non-economic activity. Let's say economic activities. Now one question is arise here. What do you mean by economic activities? The one is economic activities, business, profession and employment. These are all come in the category of a economic activity, and these are come in the category of a non-economic activities. What do you mean by economic activities? Economic activities are is to be that types of the activities. Their purpose is to earn money. Their purpose is earn money. All are come in the category of economic activities. We describe here the main two. The one is economic activities and one is non-economic activities. Economic activities, there are the three types of activities. One is business, the second is profession, and one is employment. One is business, one is profession, and one is employment. And non-economic like is a preaching of religions, and the one is social work. One is a social work. So which type of the activities we will be study in our BST? There are two types. One is the business is concerned is totally on the economic activities, not on economic activities. The one concept here, economic activities are those activities, their objective is to earn money. Their purpose is to earn money. All types of the activities are called economic activity. Their purpose is not to earn money. Their purpose is not to earn money are called non-economic activities. Now the major concept of the base concept is going to start BST. Now the main is definition we will be see business. Now listen the business activities, business definition. Business refers to economic activity. Business refers to those economic activity their purpose is earn to money, who produce the goods and then with help of the other banking sector with other economic activities who buying and selling of goods and the distribution of goods from one place to another place. These all type of that activities come in the category of a business. Let's see again the type of the business. Business refers to all economic activity. Their purpose is to produce, that is a production of goods and services, on regular basis, and then after buying and selling of goods and services, this is called business. Again, see the business refer to all economic activities. Business refer to all economic activities that are done for the profit motive, that are done on regular basis, and their purpose is to earn money, and they are also come in the category of the buying and selling of goods and the distribution of goods. First production karna, then after buying and selling karna, and their purpose on regular basis. It's not that is a one day. If we have complete all types of the thing in one day, that type of the activity is not come in the category of a business. So this is called here the first definition of a business. Let's see that after profession. The one is as profession. What do you mean by the profession? Profession mean that types of the you can say that types of the activities. Again, it's come in the category of economic activities. Those people, you can say that specialized knowledge, specialized skill, having the specialized skill or specialized knowledge and plus skill, that come in the category of a profession. Profession like is a CA, the CS, advocate, and the one is also, and then doctor also. One is a doctor. All those people who have specialized skill and specialized knowledge. On the basis they provide their services to the society, they are come in the category of a profession. And the one last point is left, employment. Employment is a contract between the employer and the employee, in which the people mean that one person do the work under, and the under that one person or mean that office in lieu of remuneration. A remuneration may be salary or maybe wages. These are all people called employment. Those people, employment is a agreement, it is a contractual relationship between the employer and between the employee. In the lieu of, के बदले में, in the lieu of remuneration, salary or wages, they provide their services to that person. So this type of the people, like is the people work in the factories, office, company or in government job, they are come in the category of a employment. So it was the definition of all economic activities and something. We know non-economic activity very well, the social work without any purpose, and the one is also preaching of a religions. These are not purpose to earn money. So these are other category. That one is that non-economic activity, the different category. But the basic we will be study in our book on the behalf of the BST economic activity. And then the second is non-economic. One is business. Business means the production of goods and services on a regular basis and the buying and selling of goods. And profession means that is a category of those people who have the specialized knowledge and having skill, on the basis they do their activities. And the employment, it is a relationship between the employer and the employee. So up to that, today you will do all type of the basic concept from your book. And then for other the doubt, you can be contact to me on WhatsApp number. Thank you, dear students. Thank you.